the online journey since 2021, and if I'm being honest with you guys, it's not as easy as it sounds, or as easy as so many people make it to sound. People make it to sound so fun and easy. It's either you find a side hustle that they don't pay much, or you find a side hustle they pay much but they are not available in Nigeria, or you find the one that it's available in Nigeria, they pay much but the withdrawal threshold is very, very high that you can't even withdraw. Or you decide to go into content creation, and for you to get up to 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, for some people it's not as easy as it is, or to monetize Facebook is not as easy as it is. So I was shocked, or I am still in shock. I was able to get $3 from this particular side hustle with not too much effort. It is still unreal to me right now. I'm still shocked because I know how difficult or how hard side hustles are in Nigeria, especially Nigeria. So today I'm going to show you this side hustle that gave me this $3. I'm going to tell you guys what I did, if this is not worth it in 2026. And I've gotten a couple of questions from people. Some people asking me, and Solomon, how can we redeem our reward from this particular side hustle? Okay, I'm actually going to answer those questions. Those of you that are into Facebook side hustle, because I do talk about Facebook side hustle a lot, please be very, very careful what you post on your page. So in the month of February, there is a little post I posted on my Facebook page, and little did I know that just a single word, they suspend my monetization, they suspend my recommendation. And the truth is that if Facebook suspend your recommendation, you can be posting very hard and you are not seeing any result from it. So please be very, very careful. So they suspended one of my Facebook pages on February. So this is May. So they have actually unsuspended the page. So please, if you're into Facebook side also and you're watching me, you take my updates, you follow my updates, you're posting on Facebook, please be very careful what you post on Facebook. I talk about different side hustles. If you want to get content from me, like the video, share the video, do what to subscribe, so that if I drop new content, they are going to notify you and you're going to be the first person to come check it out. Thank you very much. Do what to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. Please guys, this is not a financial advice. I am here to share my opinion about a side hustle that I use. I am still surprised. Now, there is no guarantee this is going to work out for you. Why I'm saying that is because there's somebody I know close to me. This same side hustle is not working out for the person. It worked out for me. So that's the same thing. It might not work out for you, it might work out for you, it might be based on your location. So I'm just passing an information. You just watch the video for entertainment. I mean, why not? Am I not funny? So let's get started. So the update I want to talk about today is this particular update they call Viewpoint, Meta Viewpoint. Meta launched an app called Viewpoint, and this app helps them to collect data. What they do is that once you install the app as a user, they have different programs. You can join study program, you can join app data collection program, you can join their survey program. I have 3 active programs that are currently running on my own dashboard. I registered on this app just a few days ago. I made a video about it. Back then I was at 500 points. So of today I am actually at 1,170 points. I mean, that's an improvement. That was just like 2-3 days ago. Okay, 2-3 or 4 days ago, if I'm not wrong. The main reason why I'm making this video is because I'm still shocked. I'm actually shocked because 1,000 points on this platform is actually $3 according to them. So I'm still shocked because I was able to get this 1,000 points without any stress. And the funny thing is that I can redeem it. Their surveys and their data collection, it does not take up to 2 minutes. I think up to 1 minute for you to finish a task on this platform, at least for now, based on my experience. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes for you to complete a task on this particular platform. I'm still shocked that I was able to earn up to $3 in just few days. I have actually used survey platforms, I've used tax earning platforms, I've used GPT platforms. Most GPT platforms, they ask you to complete a task. You must complete that task up to level 200, level 300 before you can see a tangible reward. Now, most survey platforms, some of the survey can take up to 20 minutes. You need to complete like 5-10 surveys. That is if they approve those surveys. Okay, so I'm actually surprised. Once they send me notification, I just go there, tap on it, 1 to 3 clicks, and that's it. 1 to 3 clicks and that's it. They can give me 250 points, they can give me 85 points, they can give me up to 100 points based on the program. If you have suffered and you're used to suffering, when you see something that is like this, it feels like there's a hidden agenda. That is how I feel right now. So I don't feel like this is real. All right, so that's why I have to make this particular video, so that if I wake up tomorrow and I don't see the money in my dashboard, you guys will know that I'm actually skeptic about this particular platform. If not that this is from Meta, this is from Facebook itself. I could have removed this app from my phone. So does that actually means I am praising this particular platform? Well, the answer is actually no, because according to them, they say that their minimum normal withdrawal threshold is $30, but if they are paying 250 points per tax, or based on the survey or based on the tax, and it's not that regular, which means for you to achieve that $30 will take a whole lot of time. Now the second point I want to make today is about their withdrawal. So somebody messaged me on Telegram. The person asked me, okay, I got my $3, how can I redeem it? So these guys, they partner with a company that allows you to redeem gift cards or to redeem your earnings through gift cards, I think, because that's the only payment method I'm currently seeing right now. So they call them Tremendous or something. So this Tremendous right here allows you to redeem your earnings through gift card. They have a lot of gift card like Visa gift card, Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, any kind of gift card. Now the problem right here is that most people, when they hear gift card, they feel very bad, which I don't know why, because you can actually redeem your gift card and at the same time you can always sell your gift card and collect your local currency. And I believe that's the problem that most people are actually facing, how to redeem their gift card, which is not really a problem if you think about it. It's not a problem because there are a lot of apps, a lot of websites that are out there that they can use and sell that your gift card and collect naira. Anyways, Tremendous also have a monetary option. The monetary option right here is PayPal. They have PayPal US, they have international PayPal, they have Venmo. You can check out, they have bank transfer, USD bank transfer. So if you have a dollar account, like Cheaper Cash can give you a dollar account, Clever can give you a dollar account, Gray can give you a dollar account. So that shouldn't even be a problem. You use Tremendous to redeem your earnings from Viewpoint. Then inside Tremendous, you use bank transfer option. So I don't think this is actually an issue. Let's go back to Viewpoint. Is Viewpoint really worth it? Well, for now, I'm still testing it because it's just $3. I'm just excited how swift it was to earn the $3. But let's see how it goes. If later they can give more tax and so on and so forth. But for now, this is just what we got. So what I did was that I signed up with my Facebook account. You just wait. Once they send you a program, you sign up for the program. Every day they release some tax. You complete this tax and you earn reward points based on the tax you completed. And once you have up to 1,000 points, that is $3, you can actually redeem that. I prefer you keep it up to $6 or $10 so that the money will make a lot of sense. You can only redeem here through Tremendous. So for you to do that, you go to your Viewpoint account, right? They can redeem it from there. Then they are going to send it to your email. You click on the redeem from your email. Right there, they will take you to Tremendous. You choose your redemption option. If it is bank transfer or if it is gift card, any of them, just choose it over there. Then you redeem your earnings from Viewpoint by Meta, guys. For now, we are still running tests on the platform. Anywhere it goes, I'm going to let you guys know in another video.
These 5 apps are going to